Now this is an error that can happen whenever you try to use OneDrive, and it is often caused by a myriad of issues. So if you're having the same error, here are some troubleshooting steps you can follow. Firstly, try to update your Windows 11. Do it by opening Settings, click Windows Update, then select Check for Updates. Now if a window update is available, click Download and Install. Another method you can try to do is to turn off files on demand. And in order for you to do that, right-click on your OneDrive from the taskbar, click Settings, then uncheck the box next to Save Space or click Download All Files. Now doing so will turn off files on demand and keep all of your files downloaded to your computer. Lastly, try to reset OneDrive. To do it, open Run from your computer, enter the following command, then click OK to run that command, and the black command prompt will open. Then after a while, the windows will close and a Microsoft Store will open that you can close. Now that's how you can fix this OneDrive error code in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.